3308 Coral Harbor. So I would probably repaint, like scrape off the paint on the wood fascia and repaint it. I'm not sure what to do about this area right here. We'll get the property manager opinion. It's already desert landscape, so that's good, but you do see a lot of weed barrier. It doesn't seem like there's like rock missing. I think it just needs to be moved around, but that's not my call. I would repaint the side gate, of course rekey the screen door as well as the front door. The front door needs to be repainted. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it definitely does. I would also think this whole property probably needs to be repainted as well. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look fresh and clean either, so I think the property manager needs to make that decision when she's here. So we change over to tile in this room. It's okay with that transition. Yeah, it's okay. I think this is actual stained glass. And of course cracks and stuff, so probably have to redo the mantle. These are not the right blinds. It was correct in the other room, but these have to go. I couldn't get the door open, so it's a fairly private backyard. Just the right amount of greenery, low enough landscaping, of course. You need to include a junking quote and fix that wood that's hanging right there. Probably remove that electrical and have the inspector, of course, take a look at that light and see if it actually functions. But it's really nice to have so much concrete down already. And we need to make sure the rollers work, the sliders work on this, and that it's easy to open. Of course, replace these 3 blinds. It is popcorn ceilings. We don't have cabinet poles, but they are sleek, modern, nice looking. Range looks good. We already have a Space Saver microwave with an undermount sink and the gooseneck faucet. I'd replace that fan. That's just me. So I'm just seeing some marks on the walls here. Nevada Energy thermostat. This is the same tile that was in the kitchen, and it comes through to this bathroom. That's just a powder room. Replace that blind. The cabinets are borderline. That's the PM's call. Okay, flat doors, and they don't all match. Some of the hardware is brass, some is brushed nickel. Where is the light? There we go. Okay. Power wash the garage. There's no earthquake straps or drip pan on the water heater. Obviously replace those fluorescent light bulbs. And this is looking pretty rough over here. We don't usually care too much about garages, but that one's rough enough that we might want to do something about that. Okay. About $165 to replace that light fixture. Here's one of the brass ones. Also not so cute in there. Maybe get a quote to remove that. Maybe keep it since it's already there. The baseboards are DIY. Paint's looking like it needs to be redone up here, and of course patch that trim. Whoa. This is fun. I wonder if the light didn't work, by the way. I did try. I wonder if this was actually here, if they just added it on and replaced those. It's nice there's a paper fan up there, but it's not in the best condition. I think the window might be broken on the other side. It's a different tile in here. It actually matches the laminate a little bit better, but it is a little different. The counter looks fine. Cabinets, not so sure. Whoa. Okay. We need a shower rod. Replace the little drain thing at the bottom. It looks like they've painted over it for some reason. It's like $65. There's already a towel bar. And then when you repaint, just patch stuff like that. Probably get a new toilet seat and a new blind. Patch stuff like that and that. Just 2 towel bars. Okay, that's, oh, and patch that. Okay. Oh, fix that wiring. Don't want any exposed anything. Whoa, it goes all the way to here. Okay, so maybe remove both of those. Okay, this is the same tile that was in the bathroom we just came from, but it looks like it needs some more grout. I would recaulk this as well and get a good janitorial and probably replace that shower head. And I don't know why they have a shower rod in here. Replace this, of course, patch all of that. Okay. Oh, look at that. So, replace. There are so... Okay, you can wire this so it's not exposed. It's about $165 to add a fan with a light. And since you already have to remove these, you might as well just install a nice one. And of course, these 2 blinds would be replaced.
Flooring is separating over here.
Okay, yeah, it's not the best quality flooring. Yeah, it looks like it's cracked. So there's all the gaps. Okay.